type of substance. I'm looking left, I'm looking right, but all I see is struggling. Ain't no stranger to no hustling. I go to work without a problem, but these earth pains are doubling. Looking easy for they ain't lying out here. They lying and scheming on your boy out here. They handle business totally different on the scene out here. Want me to stay up in the real. Chill, yeah, when I fall on my face. Agreement like felon when they all in my face. And when I need an agreement, they gone with no trace. I ain't gon' trip, Mr. Brett Ben knew the case. Look, I know grace, a dark old place, just a heart full of space. Mr. Walker didn't see, got it all to the face. Straight, running his own little race. Bait, sitting on the hook, didn't know the book. About to get the vibe by a cunning little crook. Look, I'm tryna tell you how Brett got took. Swoop by the hill and the world got shook. This how you do it, I'll show you how to cook. I ain't mad at you, I'ma float like a brook. Show you Jesus love like y'all take a look. Snook, 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 snook right by you with a renewed mind. I make songs so the past won't shine. You hate me, but I take time to pray for you. Your vision so blind. I don't see no type of substance. I'm looking left, I'm looking right, but all I see is struggling. Ain't no stranger to no hustling. I go to work without a problem, but these earth pains are doubling. God, I'm waiting and I'm trusting that you got my hurt in mind and you're on your way, machine. And my people die, so I feel like cussing. Which way is up? Do you hear me fussing? I'm kicked up chillin', no more dealing. My thoughts moving past my ceiling. Where's my healing? Where's my shilling? Been a long time since a young man played the villain. Killing everything past, I'm willing, but the world got a fishing rod out here reeling. Yeah, got some bait by the name of old feelings. All in my face, but I keep on peeling, kneeling, praying for a breakthrough. What's my plight? Everybody talking down cause I speak Christ. I say I'm blessed, but my son took flight, and I pay the support, Lord, and something ain't right. Lord got a price, and my patience getting light. Your words, my lifestyle, my days ain't bright. Come on, Father, you said I'm in your sight. More than a conqueror, day, noon, night. Confess your song, got a brand new light. That was my faith when I heard to recite. My grip get loose, but my granny keep it tight, saying God in control, alright, right. Then I remember that I could have been dead. Remember what that old one dog demon said. Jesus gon' save me, and he did have legs. He was planning on busting my head, yeah. I don't see no type of substance. I'm looking left, I'm looking right, but all I see is struggling. Ain't no stranger to no hustling. I go to work without a problem, but these earth pains are doubling. God, I'm waiting and I'm trusting that you got my hurt in mind and you're on your way, machine. And my people die, so I feel like cussing. Which way is up? Do you hear me fussing?
Which way do I go? Shoulda grabbed my rifle. Shoulda give me some keys or drop to my knees and grab my Bible. I don't know which way to go, I know I need to repent. Right now, I'm spitting the real, this CSG and my partner Brent. I just give my heart from the heart, no pen and pad. Nowadays out here in these streets, whole lot of youngsters doing real bad. What? It's different now. Nowadays they don't fight no more. Rather grab that Glock 4-0, hit the trap and they let it blow. Every other night when I turn on the news, yes, my heart filled with blues. Another young homie dead and gone, shot and killed for swingers of shoes. What? Shoes be real, come on dawg, it's real in the field. Right about now, this ain't ESG, who talking to you? This Cedric Hill, and I need you.
I don't see no type of substance. I'm looking left, I'm looking right, but all I see is struggling. Ain't no stranger to no hustling. I go to work without a problem, but these earth pains are doubling.